Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today. Request more information and set up a test drive right away.
The Chevy TrailBlazer is among the best of the truck-based midsize SUVs. It's capable of hauling heavy loads or negotiating rugged off-road terrain. Yet it's also smooth, comfortable, and civilized. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, security system, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.